Hi, my name is Barratt Phillips, and I'm one of the senior partners here at Inland Eye Specialists. My focus of my practice is cataracts and LASIK surgery. I've been here since 1999. My story as to why I got into ophthalmology began back in my medical school training. I was very fortunate to work with a lot of professors at my university, and the thing that first sparked my interest was their medical missionary work. They went all over the globe to Nepal and Kenya and South America doing miraculous things, and I said, that's what I want to do. And so I was fortunate in my latter part of my medical school training to go to Jamaica and later to other countries in my early training, and sparked this interest in what can we do for world blindness. And then you come to a place like Temecula, and there are some people occasionally that come through who are actually blind and can't see, and there are some miracles that can be performed. I remember going back a few years, even a little kid that came in about 2 years old had cataracts from birth, and we took out both cataracts, and the next day in the room with his parents, it was the first time that he had actually seen them. And he stroked the hair on his dad's arm and just giggled and cried, and it was incredible. And sometimes we have miracles like that come through, but in my mind, the beauty of what I do and why I love coming to work every day is that there are little miracles that go on throughout the day. Ophthalmology is one of those specialties where maybe we can't cure every disease, but so much of it we can prevent and actually cure. And whether it be someone who comes in with cataracts and they just need to see to drive, or maybe they want to golf better, these are little miracles in their life. And some people as well, it's a matter of what can I do to take my vision to the next level. I love seeing 80-year-olds, just happy as can be because they've gone without glasses for the first time in their life, or perhaps someone younger who has great vision and has contacts or glasses. It's a big prescription, and we can do more for them. We can take those glasses and contacts away with LASIK or other procedures, and sometimes we can take vision that they've had their entire life that's limited them from doing activities, and all of a sudden they're seeing better than they have in their whole life. And so when I go home at night, this is what I tell my children and my friends and my wife, and it's like, each day there's something that we get to do to actually change someone's life, even if it's not some grand thing in another country around the world. And so that's what inspires me. And I think that at Inland Eye Specialists, when I came over 20 years ago, that was already established with Dr. Duffin. We had a clinic that was dedicated to excellence. And since that time, over the last 20 years, we focused on expanding. We have 2 major centers where all of the facilities, including a surgery center, is under one roof. And our goal has been to bring all the specialists to our town. And that's why we changed the name from Inland Eye Clinic to Inland Eye Specialists, because we want to bring the doctors to the patients and the services to our community. So people aren't traveling to another city or another state to get the care that they need. And so consequently, we have some fantastic physicians here, trained at some of the best institutions in the world. And for those that we can't hire full-time, we have them drive out and join us. And we have retina specialists and oculoplastic specialists, some of the very best here. And it's been a real joy working with all these other doctors and the camaraderie in providing this type of care together. And what's been really enjoyable and gratifying is over the last 20 years getting to know all the physicians here in town. I think some of my very best friends, I would consider them not just colleagues but friends, are some of the optometrists and other referring physicians that I have the pleasure to work with. We do go biking and have socially interactions, but it's great when I can get on the phone anytime, day or night, with another physician regarding a common patient and just talk about what's going on and what they need, and we take care of it right there. And I just feel being able to offer that type of service helps us both sleep better at night. And that's kind of, I would say, our mission here at Inland Eye Specialists. A lot of patients have to go out of town for things. They have to search elsewhere, but we have everything right here. And a lot of the physicians, referring doctors in town have actually got their start with us and trained here. And for those who haven't, we offer a lot of continuing medical education and training and services, whatever we can do to help grow and raise the standard of care here in the Valley. And so I don't have any plans of retiring anytime soon. I love seeing this grow and working with everyone and look forward to many years to come.